Do you know this guy? This little guy right here? This is the lasso tool. It is one of the most basic tools in digital art, and boy oh boy was I underusing it for years. It works just as you'd expect. You draw and it makes a line for a custom selection. For the longest time, I only used this tool to select and move objects. It wasn't until a few years back when I realized I could use this tool to color. I knew that if I selected an area, that the color would not bleed out of the area, but for some reason it never connected in my head that you can use that to your advantage. For example, check this out. Once I select this area, I can just hit the overlay and boom! I got a way to show the shadows of eyelashes. Check out over here too. And I can reverse the selection and do this. And now you got this perfect line splitting the light and shadow without actually having a line there. For so many years, I wanted to find out how to do exactly that, but I had no clue how to find out. I googled whatever way to describe it I could think of, like how to draw not line, how to draw a line but with shadow and light, how to make a shadow crease. Nothing really gave me an answer until I saw an artist do it on their live stream, and it just clicked in my head, and I felt like the stupidest living being in the history of all beings. I'm making this video to tell all of you who are also looking for how to draw whatever this thing might be called, the lasso line. This is what I shall call it. Now you too know how to make the lasso line. It's just a swipe of the wrist. I think I've summed out how this works pretty quick, so that'll be all. If there are any other tools that you think would just immediately improve anyone's work, please share those tools in the comments. We need to know these things. If you have any questions, feel free to find me on any of my social media, hang out with me on Twitch or in Discord. I take commissions if you like my art, and there's some free VTuber assets over on my Ko-fi. Bye bye! Love you!